Hi, my name is Pam Moore, and I'm the founder and CEO of Marketing Nuts, and we are a social, digital, branding, and content training and consulting agency. Yeah, so one of the tools that we find that really helps us save time is Agorapulse. And so Agorapulse helps us in so many ways in being able to manage our content and our distribution and monitoring what content is performing and how that's resonating with our audience, and just saving us time in the whole content management and distribution process. And one of the reasons that we originally chose to go with Agorapulse, we had been with some of the other big players out there for a long time. I was very committed to one of them, and was really the people. So it was meeting the team, Mike and team at Agorapulse, and I have such a trust for the team, and I know that anything they tell me is truth. I know that if they tell me a feature is available, I know it will be available. If they tell me that something isn't quite working the way I want it, but it's coming, I trust that it's coming. But I know that I'm in good hands in a company that is going to take care of us both for the short and long term. And trust is everything in my book. Yeah, and one of the other key benefits for us has been we were able, once we jumped on board with Agorapulse, we really went in kind of right away. So we went through the test period, but then we went in right away, and I was able to shut down at least 3 of the primary tools that we were using for social media management. And so that was a huge time saver for us and cost savings, where we don't have to pay for those tools anymore. And Agorapulse goes beyond what each of those tools were doing on its own. So that's huge for us.